guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another thing about the Zazzle regarding the difference between the quick create and create new product option, because I've been getting a lot of the comments regarding this particular thing and people are really getting confused between these two options. So today I'm going to show you exactly the difference between these two options and which one should you go for to actually make the templates on Zazzle to get them more sales. So let's dive into today's video. Before we consider clicking the like button, guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section, download it. Also, soon we are going to start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money on. It will be 100% free, guys. Subscribe to it. If you change your mind later on, you can unsubscribe to it. So let's dive into today's video. I'm gonna be go over to my laptop in a second, going to show you exactly the difference between these two options, because people are really getting confused and they were like, how to create the products by these options and which one is the best and how to do it and all those, because Zazzle for a newbie, for a beginner, is a little counterintuitive. You actually need to learn a lot to actually make the products and templates on Zazzle. So that's why this comment and question comes up, the difference between these two. So here is the video, here is the tutorial to show you how to do that. So let's dive into my laptop at the back. Guys, one thing I want to ask you, if you have any more questions, any more doubts regarding the Zazzle, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna be making a videos for that because I've been getting a lot of the comments, and if I see that if your comment is reliable and it needs a separate video, then I'm gonna be making that one as well. So guys, this was a dummy store that I made for the sake of the tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you today the difference between the two options, that is a quick create and create new product option, because people often get confused. Go over to the option that is a quick create. In one of my tutorial I've shown you how to use the quick create option and create the products on Zazzle. Another option I've shown you that using the quick create new product. In the quick create option, you can upload multiple different products at one time on Zazzle, and on the create new product you can only upload one product at a time, so it's a little bit more time consuming in the create new product option, but it's really worth it because you are allowing your product as a template, and which is the major factor to get the more sales on a Zazzle, which you can do by the create new product option. So let me just show you once more again with the quick create option. If I go over to the quick create option, you could see over here asking me to upload my products. I'm gonna just go over to the add a logo template, then click over to the change option, and I'm gonna be, so let me just choose this one and click OK and click done. So once we get that, you could see the bunch of the products over here. That means the 20 products you are getting over here, which you can make by using this particular option. That's a quick create. You could select whatever product you want in your shop, and depending on that, you could do that and proceed with that, or either way you could select all. And once you do that, you are heading over to the option as a next. Now you could write the tag, title, description of your product and do all those. I'm just going to do it in a fast because I've already shown you how to do that. So I'm not going to go detail into that. So I'm just going to doing it in a fast. You could select the event and occasion, the recipient. I have talked a lot about that. You could write a tag. So it's a yellow texture, spider web, and gradient pattern. Like, you could do a bunch of the stuffs over here, guys. I have just doing it just for the sake of this tutorial. You could do a bunch of option over here. It's for everyone. Then you could set your royalty percentage. I'm gonna keep it as a 5% because this is just a tutorial to show you how to do it, so I'm not gonna increase it. Just click over to this and click over to this I'm not a robot and post it. So this is the way to actually use the quick create option and uploading the product on Zazzle. You could create or do it again, and you can repeat the process again and again, and you could go and do it again and again. That's the one way to go and do the stuff by that. Now this is the one method to actually go and upload the product on Zazzle as multiple products. Like I've uploaded 20 products in just single step on the Zazzle by using the quick create option. But in this case, you're not allowing your product to upload it as a template. So that is a bigger disadvantage of going with this particular option, that is a quick create. Although you can create multiple different products at one time, but again guys, you can't upload your picture or your artwork as a template, which lend you in a bad shape because you are missing out a lot many sales. Either way, if you go with the create new product option, that is lending you in a much more better shape, because although it takes so much time because you're creating one product at a time, but it's worth doing it, because when you're doing one product at a time, you're allowing your product to be uploaded as a template so that people can customize it, personalize it, and then they can add their own text, image, picture, whatever it is, and then they can purchase it. So I would highly recommend you to go with the option that's the create new product rather than going with this option that's a quick create, because quick create you can upload multiple different products at one time, but it's not allowing your product to as a template, which is allowing you to go into bad shape as you're missing a lot of many sales over here. But if you're going with the create new product option, you can create one product at a time. It's a time consuming process, but it's worth it because you are uploading your product as a template, which can get you more sales. Now I'm just gonna quickly go over to the create new product option and show you the difference between these two. Now this option I've shown you using the quick create. I'm gonna go back and show you the create new product option. And now I have shown you already how to upload the product using the quick create. I'm going to show you how to use it using the create new product. I've already talked about the difference between these two guys. So whichever suits your route, you can go with that. But I highly recommend going with the create new product option, because in this way you are allowing your product to upload as a template. So to actually get good sales from Zazzle and not missing out many sales, because by using this option, you're not allowing your product to upload as a template and you are missing a lot many sales. So that's why I highly recommend to go with the option that's the create new product. So once you click over to the option the create new product, you're allowed to create one product at a time only. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's worth your time and effort. So you could very well choose the, for example, if you want to go with the t-shirts, I'm going to be picking up a t-shirt. You can choose whatever t-shirt you want to go with that. I'm going to choose a women basic t-shirt. You could go with the men, kids, babies, whatever it is. Now here again you're getting the option as an add image or add text, and you can upload it as a template. Now I'm going to be writing a simple quote over here. So I'm just going to go over to the add text and we will going to write over here believe. Or you could write it as simply as a gratitude. Now this is a simple text-based design. I'm not going to go much detail into this because I really want to show you the difference between these two options. That's a quick create and create new product. So you could see I have uploaded my design. I have added this text not as a design, and then I will just gonna go over to the option that is the make this a template objects. I'm just going to click over here so that people can write their own text over here. If they don't want to have a gratitude, they can either write their own name, their own text, their own message, or whatever they want to add over here. They can write any quote over here, any label. So I'm going to be writing over here add your text, so people can add their own text instead of this gratitude. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to just go over to the done option. And now you can see the personalized option over here. People can just click over here and they can write their own text. Instead of the gratitude, they can write maybe believe in yourself. And yeah, believe in yourself. Since it's the believe in yourself, it's coming over here. They can write whatever they want to write over here. They can write it simply as a text. If they want to write it as simply as a text, they can make the changes over here, and you are allowing your product to be uploaded as a template. So this is the way, this is the major difference between using the options the quick create and create new product, and why you need to go with the option that is a create new product to actually allowing your product to upload as a template to get the more sales. This is a major difference between, guys. Hopefully you get it. If you have any more questions further, any more doubts further, please let me know in the comment section below, guys, because I'm just here to help you and answering all your questions and doubts, hopefully as much as I can. But this is the way to do it, guys. And now you see the difference between the product that I have uploaded as a create new product and the product I have uploaded as a quick create. The create new product is the best. It's a time consuming. You need to upload one product at a time, but it's worth it because you are allowing your product to upload as a template. You can write any name over here, any text over here, or maybe a Christmas times, whatever thing you could write over here, and you could go further with that and do the bunch of the stuffs over here. So hopefully you find this video useful, guys. You could further do it. You could customize it, add the different names over here, add the different text.
You could even upload a picture over here. Right now I have just add the text over here. You could even upload a picture over here and allow the people to customize it, allow the people to edit it, add their own picture, or add their own family picture, or whatever picture they want to add, they can do that. So a bunch of the options people can do over here, and you are allowing your product to be uploaded as a template. This is the major difference between these two. And on the Zazzle, I have already made a video talking about 5 things that no one tells about the Zazzle. Make sure you check it out, because in that video I really talking about the honest truth about the Zazzle and why it's so unique and different from other print on demand websites, and what makes it unique, and how to actually make the good sales on Zazzle. So make sure you check it out, that video. I'm gonna leave them in the section above so you can check it out.
Hopefully you find today's video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you have any more doubt related to Zazzle, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. But thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.